was, and it's just wrecked. And it's a shame because even like you said too, you said it perfect with the harbor's at and everything. The harbor for a while, I remember there's a potential, right? With all the new money, all the contractor money going in there. But
Do you know where Fells Point is?
What the hell are you doing?
It's between
Oh,
like the
Jesus.
city and Harbor Point. It's
Is it like
called Broadway, down there Broadway Market. You know, it's called the Square because it's not but bars going around the whole thing, man. There's a hotel
It's
there.
over by Camden, by the baseball field?
It's not that close, but
No, that's yours, Lucky.
Amazon basic battery.
And it's dead.
It's that.
I just put a brand new battery in there.
Yeah, so yeah, I mean, you can see like the harbor,
Cat toy.
everybody's going crazy about it and shit like that, but now you can see it's going right back to where it was,
I thought
man.
that was
yeah, it's
cat toy.
sad.
Yeah.
Because I've seen a lot of boarded up houses now,
Orange, man.
and I actually seen a interview this guy did. No, black.
I see a freaking thing over here.
The answer said,
If
you
you
know,
want a flash, you can run a flash.
people, the reason, because people ask, why can't anybody buy these houses? And now, he says, why put $350,000 into a house when you know it's not gonna sell for that much? So they leave it sit there like that.
Yeah.
That's what you do. Because Hopkins was buying a lot of houses around them areas. For the university, for nurses, doctors, and all like that.
No, you're 100% right. It's I have a friend who's picking up all these books for $20,000, $15,000,
Yeah.
flipping them, and everybody's been doing that. But now that there's a couple.
Alright, so we got this shit loaded up.
Going all over the place, all over the little towns, and shit like that.
Actually.
We kept that shit. That might be fucking defective, man. May I just put it away, babe?
Reset.
Cat toy.
Close to it.
Put your hand on it.
This one's reset. There it goes. Stop.
Well, maybe the battery came loose. It should. There's some snap in here.
I'll put a red pot up there at the top.
Nothing falls out. Seal it up.
There's cat toy.
Is that right, Bob? Up there with the blue light on the ladder? Up where?
Are you talking about that here?
Look,
Behind Nuckin.
Oh, that's I think
Oh, okay.
there it goes again.
Okay, I can see that if it goes off.
Can you step back from that cap ball, please? Can you leave it alone?
It's like no, fuck you.
Is that light bothering anybody?
You like that cat ball, don't you?
There it goes again.
Was this supposed to be straight? I think I bumped it.
What is that? On the floor. Could have animal. That's her keys. Sorry. Like, okay.
When I first seen out,
What kind of animal?
Like, it's her keys.
it's your French tickler.
Yeah, that's yeah.
Big old rat trash.
I'm just gonna leave.
Damn. See, this is what I like. People we get along with. That was vice versa. You
I
know?
hate everybody equally.
There you go.
No, just kidding.
Liar.
He just stole my saying. What the fuck is that bullshit about?
You're getting like that.
Alright, fair save, you put the light up.
Where you sitting at?
What that?
I was just gonna sit down. Oh, I don't want that.
What that? The light go off back there?
I just wanna sit.
Oh, scared shit out of myself.
Give it to me.
What's that? Is that a sense? Like a,
It's a REM pod. If you get too close to it, it makes that noise though. Before it actually.
whatever this is, setting this off, I'm not afraid of me being.
We good? Good.
Wait a minute. There. Go up. You okay, Nothing? Come on, down this
Yeah,
hill.
alright.
Yeah.
Jump.
Hey, Ask Mark, you should see, I was a beast of things the other day.
In your,
My cast, my
Yes.
broken ankle, I'm chasing this Bigfoot noise and
yeah.
I want to get downhill, down here, downhill.
And look where it ended you up with.
Oh,
Plates and screws all over your ankle and your
Yeah,
foot.
next is my knee. Oh shoot.
Off already.
What are you shooting about?
My phone light went off. Me unplugged,
You'll be alright.
Oh, shit.
no, I don't have it plugged in. That's what's weird.
Jeez.
I think he scared himself again.
Where did you put my REM pod?
It's over here on the right hand side.
Okay,
Can you stop touching that toy?
I don't remember where I put him.
watch.
I think it's just vibrating too easily to go off.
Yeah, try to turn it off and then like turn it back on.
Can you touch me?
So I can just-
Can you push that ball off? Push it off the steps.
No, can you turn that ball off and turn it back on? Just to reset it?
Sure.
We have one over here by this front plus too.
Yeah, yeah, we
I'm
go.
gonna touch your, never mind. Okay, it's off. Trying to get the, there we go. Can you touch it again, please?
That was me.
Oh, your stomach.
Drink coffee.
Ow.
Alright, spirits, a little while ago, we were talking to something or someone, and you were telling us all these crazy events that happened and things that you wanted to do. So we brought some more friends up here for you.
What was that?
Oh, my chair, sorry.
Oh.
Is there any way?
Oh, what's going on back there?
Something's going off with that hole.
Yes, it
Okay,
is.
that's fine.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Quit again.
Turn that back on for us, please.
If you're the one that I was just talking about, the evil.
Dude, was Mark's music boxes going off?
No, that was, the,
That was her phone.
So I heard music too. I didn't.
See?
I wasn't sure, but I guess it was her.
Can you turn that toy back on for us? The blue and red toy. Can you turn that back on for us, please?
We already know you're back there, so you might as well turn it back on.
You were talking about God's blood, tasting it, evil, the pentagram. If you recollect what just happened, what we were talking about, can you go ahead and set off one of these devices? You have many to choose from.
We should have brought the rope light up.
Is that light bothering everybody?
Honestly,
Yes.
yeah.
I think just because of cap all the shit. Seen that over there.
The thing, I think you guys too.
I'll set this off and then I'll just switch them off.
I know that's what I was.
No, I just said shit to
Can
go.
you still get the footage you want though? Everything's good.
Spirits, that light's off now. Is it better for you that that light's off?
That was
Well,
I was like, whoa.
What? Did I miss something?
The little, I heard her stomach rumble.
Oh.
That's me walking.
Somebody has something on that's rattling.
Yeah, sorry. The strings on your hoodie was jiggling.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, I had a little itch in your. Here, I'm gonna put it. Tuck it inside.
There's just one cat ball that's back there, the one that went off.
there's two back there.
There's two back there? Okay.
In a music box.
Can you light this one up again?
if you see these red and green colors, they are Christmas colors. Did you ever put a Christmas show on here in this theater? If so, come touch those red and green colors and, ooh, look at that K2 meter right next to you knocking.
Right next to her. Pink yellow.
This one?
To your right.
Capital,
Capital.
hallway.
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah, same one.
Can you guys see
Can
it?
you put on you're putting on a
There's
show
all
for us,
one
thank
back
you.
hallway.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I don't wanna be in anybody's way.
You're fine.
Oh, you're perfect.
Did those colors remind you of Christmas shows, red and green?
Anybody else see that green flash? I mean, there's no,
Here.
back behind Nucket, right against the wall. I just saw this green flash right against the wall.
Oh.
There's nothing back here, right?
Did you put on Christmas shows for kids? For the town's kids? If you did, touch these devices, make them go off for us.
That was me.
I have a question. You see right above that ladder?
Yeah, I put a REM pod up there.
Oh, all the way up there?
Yep.
Oh, damn, okay.
Yeah, he's
I
nuts.
was like,
There was something, when you were telling Vanessa about all the evil in this place, there was something up there in that balcony making noises, walking around. Can you make noises up there, let us know that you're still there? You were talking a whole bunch about how evil's here. You're talking about rape. Talking about the pastor, preacher. Why don't you come over here and touch one of these devices? Let us know that you're here.
Don't you like us talking about God?
Do you feel intimidated by the presence of God? Are you proud that you were able to overpower women and intimidate women?
EMF meter, K2.
Oh,
I think they're
What
answering
was
you.
that?
Is there stuff?
Oh.
Sounded like a woman moan or something like that.
I was not ready to jump.
If you're still back in that hallway, you want to touch that cat ball again? You can ask you some more questions.
are there any female spirits here that are intimidated by all the men that are here?
Nothing wrong, I think.
Yeah, with me.
Any spirits that roam this building, if you can hear my voice, please come to it. From the basement to the third floor, we welcome all spirits to the stage area.
Spirits who seem to answer when we talk about how all the men overpower the women. To all the men spirits here, does it upset you that we treat our female team members like they're equals? Does that make you angry?
I didn't do it.
I've just seen an apparition occur right behind these beams.
Are you serious?
Yeah,
I think
Her
this
K2
K2 went
was
off, I'm
flashed,
not
too.
sure.
I caught it on my camera too.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I caught him.
Wow.
Yeah, I saw two green flashes back here.
Yeah.
Right up behind these boards right here.
It was towards the top.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I caught him.
Upper tier?
I not caught him. No, I got you.
Thank you. Now maybe you're getting curious. If you're getting curious, come closer. Come down here with us.
You don't need to hide from us.
I think this one here to my left went off too.
Which one off of that?
Thank you.
Oh, that's Jim's shadow.
What I did?
No, that's your shadow back there. I just seen something go fly
Oh, wow.
like that.
Can you
It
move
was
something
I
up
see.
there on the balcony? If you're hiding up there, can you move something? Throw something down to us?
I'll catch it.
Conquer ahead.
Cha. I already did that out in the car. I hit my
Yeah,
head.
she called her head getting in the car.
You don't mind me sitting here, do you?
It's me.
What was that?
That was me.
Jim, I was about to say something, because I heard Jim.
Oh, that was me, excuse me.
If you're down in the hall, can you light the cat toys again? I just keep feeling like there's something down there that like lurks down there.
With this hall back here?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah.
Do you want me to go back there and sit and guard? I don't know, maybe.
Do you want somebody to come back there and sit in the dark with you? If so, can you make the cat toy go off, please?
Do you want a woman to come sit back there in the dark with you? Make that cat toy go off.
You want one of the guys to come back there and sit down there with you, make the cat toy go off?
Probably won't want me because it knows I'm not intimidated.
What can we do to get your attention? If you want us to leave this building, make any of those red dots go off, make any of the green dots go off, make a noise, make a tap, give us a breath, anything. Do anything for us to make us leave this building.
Is it telling us it wants us to leave?
Can you do a little better than that, please?
Make it go to red if you don't want us here.
What's that?
The tap on the stairs.
Yeah.
You don't have to stay downstairs. If you're downstairs, you can come up. And the same thing if you're upstairs, you can come down. We're not going to be here much longer, and you guys are going to have to go back to being by yourselves and lonely. At least while we're here, you can talk with us and tell us things.
Can you make any of these devices light up if you feel like you're trapped here and can't move on?
Do you hear a scruffing sound?
I did, but I thought it was just somebody moving.
Like you know how you
Something like
shuffle
this?
your feet like.
Yeah, if you don't even touch
Did
it.
you hear that, Jim?
I did. King, I thought it was one of you guys moving.
No. It sounded like it was coming over that way.
My feet aren't, they can't even touch the floor. The way I'm sitting.
Is that you that they hear?
We keep hearing a lot of audible noises with our own ears. Now we need to have visual confirmation that you're still hearing us.
Sorry.
We've seen you turn the ball on in the hallway. We need to see these balls and these other lights turned on up here on the stage.
Maybe we just need to sit in silence for a while and see what happens.
Mm-hmm. That's not a bad idea.
See if they come to us, you know.
Oh, real, or keep it. Make it go to red.
Did you hear that, Jim?
I heard something back there.
Back there, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Back in the hall.
Yeah.
But like hard.
But it sounded like somebody going through a tarp.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah, now that you said that, it makes sense.
we heard you.
Come closer.
I got chilled all down the back of my legs.
Me, I'm everywhere.
We don't want you to be afraid of us.
It literally feels like there's like ice cubes on the back of my legs. They're like freezing right now.
Come on, come a little closer.
You know what time it is? We're right in between the witching hour between 12 and 3 a.m. This is when the activity is supposed to ramp up the most. And as I'm seeing, it's the least. So you can do something for us that's gonna pique our interest here.
What was that?
You heard?
Dude, it was like,
Somebody's stomach?
it was like, ooh.
I thought that was somebody's, it wasn't me.
I didn't hear that.
I didn't either.
I heard it.
I heard that.
I heard
I thought I
it.
heard something from over there.
You know, or something?
It sounded like a moan to me.
Yeah.
Come on, get stronger. Use our energy.
Oh, nobody gonna know Ian Thompson.
It sounded like it came from me down the hallway.
Right behind that curtain there, yeah.
I heard a tapping noise over there.
If we just heard you, can you light up the cat toys down there? Or make another noise down there in the hallway?
Seemed like it got awfully darker down there, didn't it?
I hit like bad anxiety. I feel like something bad's gonna happen.
Yeah, I just woke up.
You guys are welcome. I could take that.
Who touched Jim down in the basement? Can you come touch one of us?
Somebody upstairs, huh?
I hear tapping.
Tapping?
Yeah,
Oh, I thought
tapping
that
was-
was.
Frank, is that you? Frank?
No.
It's coming.
Yeah, I'm listening. I'm trying to listen.
It's like right behind you. I thought it was on the chairs. Like,
It was like consistent tapping.
I can't even say it felt like tapping on my chair.
it kind of sounded like it was a chair creaking.
Yeah, and I'm just sitting here still as a statue.
And I'm watching. You aren't moving.
Dude, you was like zoned out for a second.
You was.
You had a weird look on your face.
Really?
For real, yeah, no, you
Do
did.
something a little bit more for me to wake up.
Need your attention, spirits. You gotta do something for us.
I mean, the little stuff is great, but for us to really know that it's you, you've got to show us something else. Did the floor just move?
I didn't feel nothing.
What?
What?
This K2's
Swear
going
to
off
God, the
again.
floor vibrated for me.
Make it go to red, please.
Can you push one of the keys on the piano for us?
If that happens, I'm going to the Jeep.
No.
I'm beating all your asses downstairs.
I don't know about that.
I'm
Oh,
gonna
no.
trip you.
Stephen will be first.
Damn.
No, I'll be up here trying to find out who was touching it.
You're welcome to use my energy if you could play that piano for us. Just one note. That's all we ask.
Use my energy too, please.
Do you wanna turn on Cosmo Box? Just something I.
See if we can, cause you, that's what you were using whenever you got this weird, all the element responses, right?
The, we know the S's, but,
No, okay, that's right, yeah.
yeah, but fast one, it should still.
I'm not gonna take it off soon. I'm not gonna drive it.
I'm going through.
Karate kick
Oh, yeah, I know. I know, sorry, I tried to say it was awesome.
I wanna go sit in that hallway.
There's a rug back here you can sit on.
Huh?
There's a rug back here that you can probably sit on.
Alright.
Turn my light on for a second.
You should sit in that room with the theater seats to the right.
Oh yeah, right next door. There's a bunch of seats.
That's where you should sit.
Just be careful. Some of them do move easily. I'll walk back with you for a second. Well, there's room here. If it's seats in it.
How many people do you see walking away from us?
This rug over here that's rolled up.
Walk back here.
I'll just sit right here so nobody thinks I'm touching anything.
You alright?
Yep.
Can you tell us your name?
Yeah, it didn't sound
Uh-uh.
human. To be honest, that was effed up.
It's me moving the chair.
Are you afraid of us?
That's it like that.
I have to ask him.
Huh?
That's what I said. I have
I
to ask him.
That's the same woman, that's a woman.
That was the same voice for like 10 syllables.
Yeah, I'm do.
Were you a performer on this stage?
Uncomfortable.
That was me.
What is your name?
Doesn't matter. Let us go. Listen, let us go.
Either let us go or let's go.
What's keeping you here?
Why does that sound like piano keys?
I thought that too.
Who's keeping you here?
We're not keeping you here. We're just trying to talk to you. Are you trapped here?
Say, help me. The Bible. What about the Bible?
Can you ask if there's somebody back here with me?
Is there someone back there with her?
Do you miss the old days? I know what it says in the Bible about people who go to look for spirits. It's not good. Is that what you referred to?
Did you fuck? That
It
shit
said
said,
kill.
that shit just said, just stay back, and then it goes, kill.
I didn't say that.
Didn't say that, right?
Shit, I didn't say that.
You didn't say that?
Do you miss the theater being open?
Say it's truly home.
Is it poltergeist?
And then it said, I'll
What do you hear?
do it. I'll do it.
Can you tell us the year?
Definitely trying to adjust here.
What year were you here?
What year did you die?
Something happened to my K2 meter that was up on the piano. It's not even loud.
Are you hiding down in the hallway?
Can you say one of our names? Hello?
My name is Steven. I want to know what you're still doing here. And my whole face is freaking hot.
My eyes are playing some tricks with me up on stage now.
I almost fell out of my chair. Not gonna lie.
Eva, you were saying something earlier about, you read something, an article or something that Abraham Lincoln had a twin brother or something?
Yeah, he had a twin brother. Not a lot of people knew him. He was his name was Gabriel.
It was what?
His name was Gabriel.
Did that motherfucker just say Gabriel?
What? You know Gabriel?
Motherfucker. That's what I thought I heard.
Did you just cuss
What
us
was
out?
that laugh?
I heard that laugh.
It was like a witch's laugh. Like,
That was weird.
That was strange.
I didn't mean to make a joke, but I'm glad we could amuse you.
That was Steve.
I saw you.
Can you say hi to us?
Did it say June 11th? You know, last time when we were downstairs, we got November 11th. That's my mother's birthday. A lot of them talk to themselves.
Can you tell us what the name of this building is?
Do you know that you're dead?
Well, the blue light is Mark's trail cam.
Yeah, but it's over this way, honey. I wouldn't see it from here.
Right.
So it was over that way.
Are you in pain?
I do. I'll see you. Still affecting you, or? No, I'm just tired. Oh.
How do you feel with everyone we brought in tonight? Good or bad? Who's the one that did the rapings? Can you come forward?
Did he say no?
Sounds like it's all over the place right now.
Who's down the hallway? Can you say their name?
You know what's blowing my mind is I can't even focus on the left side of the stage right now. Like it's so dark right here.
It's
Very dark.
Where's this K2 you keep seeing go off?
You stink?
I heard
Who stinks? Do you have some kind of final message for us?
I may. Naturally.
Naturally, right? Were you a performer here? Did you perform here? I have.
Yep.
Were you a singer or did you dance?
What was that?
Sing? Did she sing? Ma'am, did you sing or dance?
Ooh, that was an orb.
I thought that was my chair. So I was like,
It sounded like it said nothing.
There's another orb. Holy man, what an orb. Right behind you, Angel, was an orb for like 5 seconds.
Really?
Oh yeah, it just up and down, floated around.
Yeah, we were sad.
That thing's. That's not like a-
Is there someone trying to stop the females from talking to us?
You were an actress? You were an actress.
Can you set off one of the lights on the stage?
After 3.
Do me this. What color do you see on the stage? What color lights do you see on the stage? Tell me what color lights do you see on the stage right now?
K2.
Is there kids here? If there's kids here, can you come touch these lights?
I thought it said you are kids, like.
It said no, I didn't.
No, I didn't.
Are we bad?
I don't know.
Can you see the lights on the stage? Just give us one color that you see. I want to see how smart you are.
Please help me.
Is that what that just said?
I think so. Sound like a woman.
How can we help you?
Is somebody trying to hurt you?
I definitely feel like the activity is like completely subsided.
Mm-hmm.
No, I really don't know.
Like I don't know how to feel.
What time is it?
3:14.
Yeah.
Holy. Start packing stuff up. Probably.
Yeah. We got 2 hours back to the house.
I mean, overall, man, how do you guys feel about tonight? I think
Yeah.
it went very well.
Yeah. Yes.
There's definitely.
Yeah, there's definitely activity here.
Like cats we go up back there?
No.
I'll let you
I
know.
seen something flash back there.
I just pointed my camera back
Oh,
here.
maybe that's what I saw.
No, this place is full, man. It is.
K2.
It's,
Is that the same fire?
it's definitely nice to know a low-key location.
The K2, guys. Oh, as soon as I said that, it went off.
Do you want us to leave?
If you want us to leave, touch any of those devices, any of those pieces of equipment that's on the ground. Make those go off for us, just so we can see one last time that you want us to leave.
Can you say get out? I'm gonna ask you again, can you say get out or leave?
Yeah. I think this mic's toast now.
Last lemon, I'm ready
Yeah,
to
I
put it
know,
in
my
juice.
phone is sleeping.
Alright, video. I'm shutting
Thank
down.
you so much.
Good night, spirits. Thank you.
Thank you for